Hello, hey, good evening everyone. And this video I'm going to show you a very basic step in the KMP development. And as you know, we can have most of our code in the CommonMain, right? Like all the UI, most of the compose codes, etc. But some of the functions maybe isn't like cross-platform, right? For example, alarm, notification, or life cycle, as I show here, or even the database implementation, even the circle delete. Like it's a cross-platform solution, but still some details and need, like the creation of the database, need to be platform specific. So you do need some like interface-like stuff, right? So those interface could be called from those common code, and then but implementation need to be like addressed in each platform, for example, right? In this case, how do we do this in KMP, right? So this video I'm gonna show you how we do this in KMP, right? Let me see. And for example, we can show this with an example of notification, right? This is in the CommonMain, and we have a new modifier here. It's called, it's a new modifier called expect, right? So this expect modifier is if you apply to before an object or before a class. So it could be like acting as an interface of a cross-platform one. So, right. So instead of using an interface here in the KMP, we use a modifier expect. Yeah. And then if you click this and take some examples, you can see in the same package name. For example, we go to desktop and notification here, right? So you can see we can create a file and with some other name, it's okay. Or you want to make same name notification.kt is also okay. So it's either way, we can compare this side by side. Is you define this expect object notification, and you define is another keyword called actual object. So in this case, this will be the implementation on desktop to implement the notification interface. And then you can have actual function here. And just to know that like there is no expect before the function in the common part, but there is actual fun right here. So you can implement this. When in your common part, you make a call to this notification, show notification, and it will like on each platform. For example, if you're on desktop, if you're on Android or if you're on iOS, it will call the implementation accordingly based on this modifier. So yeah, basically this is how we achieve this cross-platform details if we got some like a platform specific function or class or object we need to implement, right? Okay, that's all. This would be the quite very basic step, right? For our following lectures, for example, the alarm, the database, and lifecycle notification, etc. So yeah, we'll be using this again and over again in the future. So yeah, keep it in mind. Okay, thanks for watching.